we come to the Infoline 11 channel. Stay informed with Infoline 11, your trusted source for news and insights. Sleep is a fundamental biological process that is essential for our overall well-being. It is a restorative process that helps us to recover from the activities of the day, and it is also essential for our cognitive, emotional, and physical health. Despite its importance, many of us do not get enough sleep. In this video blog, we will explore how many hours of sleep we need and why it is crucial to get enough sleep. How much sleep do we need? The amount of sleep we need varies depending on our age, lifestyle, and individual needs. According to the National Sleep Foundation, the recommended amount of sleep for adults aged 18 to 64 is between 7 to 9 hours per night. However, some individuals may require as little as 6 hours of sleep or as much as 10 hours of sleep per night to feel well rested and function at their best. Children and teenagers need more sleep than adults. The recommended amount of sleep for children aged 6 to 13 is between 9 to 11 hours per night, while teenagers aged 14 to 17 need between 8 to 10 hours of sleep per night. Why is sleep important? Sleep is essential for many aspects of our physical and mental health. Here are some of the reasons why sleep is so important. Restoration. During sleep, our bodies carry out vital restorative processes that help us to recover from the activities of the day. This includes repairing damaged tissues, replenishing energy stores, and strengthening the immune system. Memory consolidation. Sleep is essential for consolidating memories and learning new information. During sleep, the brain processes and consolidates new information, which is important for memory retention and learning. Mood regulation. Lack of sleep can lead to irritability, mood swings, and an increased risk of depression and anxiety. Adequate sleep is crucial for regulating our emotions and maintaining positive mental health. Physical performance. Sleep is essential for physical performance, including athletic performance, reaction time, and coordination. Overall health. Lack of sleep has been linked to an increased risk of chronic health conditions such as obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining overall health and preventing these conditions. What happens when we don't get enough sleep? When we don't get enough sleep, it can have a significant impact on our physical and mental health. Here are some of the effects of sleep deprivation. Impaired cognitive function. Lack of sleep can lead to impaired cognitive function, including decreased attention, concentration, and decision-making ability. Mood disturbances. Sleep deprivation can lead to irritability, mood swings, and an increased risk of depression and anxiety. Reduced physical performance. Lack of sleep can lead to reduced physical performance, including athletic performance, reaction time, and coordination. Increased risk of accidents. Sleep deprivation can impair our ability to react quickly and make good decisions, increasing the risk of accidents and injuries. Health problems. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of chronic health conditions such as obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Conclusion. Getting enough sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. The amount of sleep we need varies depending on our age, lifestyle, and individual needs. Adults aged 18 to 64 need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, while children and teenagers need more sleep. Sleep is essential for restoration, memory consolidation, mood regulation, physical performance, and overall health. When we don't get enough sleep, it can have a significant impact on our cognitive function, mood, physical performance, and overall health. By prioritizing sleep and ensuring we get enough each night, we can improve our overall well-being and lead happier, healthier lives. Hope you liked my video. If you liked my video informative, please share and subscribe Infoline 11 channel. Thank you watching video with Infoline 11.